Have you ever looked at the Statue of Liberty and wondered, why is she green? Today, the Statue of Liberty stands tall in New York City on Liberty Island, welcoming millions of visitors every year. But believe it or not, she wasn't always green. When the statue was first unveiled in 1886, it was actually a shiny reddish-brown color. That's because the entire outer layer of the statue is made from copper. About 300 thin copper sheets carefully shaped and assembled. The statue was a gift from France to the United States to celebrate freedom and democracy. It was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and the internal iron framework was engineered by Gustave Eiffel, the same engineer behind the Eiffel Tower. But if it was brown in 1886, how did it turn green? The answer lies in chemistry. Copper is a metal that reacts when it is exposed to air and moisture. When the statue was first built, the copper reacted with oxygen in the air. This first reaction formed a layer of copper oxide, which made the surface darker brown. Then something even more interesting happened. Over time, the copper continued reacting with water from rain, carbon dioxide in the air, and even small amounts of pollution. These reactions formed new compounds, mainly copper carbonate. This process is called oxidation, and the green layer that forms is called patina. Patina is that soft blue-green coating you see on old copper roofs, statues, and coins. Instead of damaging the metal, this layer actually protects it. Once the patina fully forms, it prevents further corrosion by sealing the copper underneath. In fact, if the Statue of Liberty did not develop this green patina, the copper might have slowly weakened over time. So the green color is not a problem, it's protection. How long did this change take? It didn't happen overnight. The transformation from shiny brown to green took about 20 to 30 years. By the early 1900s, the statue had completely changed color. At first, some people were concerned about the changing color. There were even discussions about painting the statue to stop it. But scientists confirmed that the green layer was stable and protective, so it was left untouched. Today, the statue's copper skin is only about 2.4 millimeters thick, roughly the thickness of 2 pennies stacked together. Yet because of the patina, it has survived strong winds, heavy rain, snow, and more than a century of weather. Isn't it amazing? What started as a shiny brown copper statue slowly transformed into one of the most famous green landmarks in the world, all because of natural chemistry. So the next time you see the Statue of Liberty, remember, her green color isn't paint. It's science at work. And that's how chemistry turned copper into history.